This is why if I want to know if something bad is going to happen, the very first thing that I look at is the trading activity of politicians and executives. Often, if people hear of something that they think will cause a global crisis, the very first thing that they will do is sell their stocks. When Senator Burr got information about the potential impact of COVID, he dumped $1.6 million in stocks, and this was 1 week before the market would crash. So today, when people are worried about a nuclear weapon being used, I look at the stock trades of politicians on the committees for defense and homeland security. After a few seconds, I see that Thomas Carper sold his positions of ProShares short S&P 500, which if you didn't know is an inverse ETF, meaning that if the stock market goes down, its price goes up. Carper just so happens to sit on the Committee for Homeland Security and would know before 99% of people if there was an imminent threat to the country. So if he's selling a position that would most likely appreciate if such a thing would happen, that tells me that we're likely going to be okay. Now I want to go ahead and address the comments that will say there's a delay in stock trade reporting. This is true, but unlike politicians, executives have only 48 hours to disclose stock trades. And considering that they're usually the ones who get politicians elected in the first place, it would be foolish to think that they won't get wind of this information either. And as of recently, I haven't seen any unusual stock selling by executives. So to trade these for yourself, just go to Corporate Quant and click on either House, Senate, or Insider Trading. As always, thanks for watching.